Welcome to the CISI Combating Financial Crime video. We'll explore the Mastery Hub, designed to help you master the complexities of financial crime regulations, money laundering, and fraud prevention. In the chapter summary section, you can review the official syllabus with expert distilled content. This ensures full alignment and mapping with the original workbook for effective learning. Chapter summaries break down exam-relevant material into key areas, common pitfalls, and exam tricks. This focused approach aids in efficient study and retention of critical information. This page includes exam tricks, additional notes, and numerical values for quick reference. These sections highlight important concepts and figures crucial for exam success. The summaries are organized by chapter, covering topics like international frameworks, terrorist financing, bribery, and reporting requirements. The quick cheat sheet provides definitions, thresholds, and timelines you need to memorize. Content is tagged for easy filtering by topics like key legislation, penalties, and ML stages. Flashcards are an effective tool for active recall and memorization of key rules and facts. Use them to test yourself on important distinctions, such as the difference between EDD and PLI models. After reviewing a question, reveal the detailed answer. This card explains the PLI and EDD models and how they relate to money laundering structures. The Mock Exam Hub offers 4 unique, full-length practice exams with unlimited attempts. These are designed to help you master the material before the actual exam. Each mock exam details the number of questions, time limit, and passing mark. After submission, you can review explanations for all questions to reinforce your learning. During a mock exam, you face scenario-based questions. The interface clearly displays question progress and remaining time, helping you manage your pacing. Here is another example of a scenario-based question, testing your knowledge of key risks, such as terrorist financing risk in the context of charity donations. After completing an exam, you receive immediate results. The detailed correction review shows you the correct answers and provides comprehensive explanations for all questions. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is available to answer any questions about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics like the EDD model in money laundering.